What's up everyone, I'm back with another quick and easy and healthy meal prep. Today I'm going to be making some surf and turf meatballs. To be honest, I just came up with this. I just made it up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video for more quick and easy meal preps. And yeah, let's get started. I'm going to start by making some seasoning for some salmon. I'm going to add some soy sauce, add some minced garlic, add some ginger, lime juice, brown sugar, and a little bit of sesame oil. And then I'm just going to put my salmon in there. Let it marinate in there for a few minutes. Flip it to the other side and let the other side marinate for another few minutes. Next thing I'm going to do is in a bowl add some ground bison. Next thing I'm going to do is chop some shrimp. And I'm going to add the shrimp to the bison. Alright, next I'm going to chop half an onion. I'm also going to chop one garlic. Then in a hot pan, put some oil. Add the onions and the garlic. I'm going to add some salt, add some pepper, and add some chili flakes. And I'm gonna add these onions with red peppers and garlic into the shrimp with the bison. Let's mix it all together. And instead of using breadcrumbs, I like to use oatmeal. Oatmeal is pretty good. It has a good amount of protein and fiber for those people that are constipated. And just like that, all I do is blend it and it's ready to go. Okay, so just add your oatmeal. I'm gonna add one egg, actually 2 eggs. Add some salt, add some pepper. Last thing I'm gonna do is chop some fresh Italian parsley and just add it to the meatball mix. Just mix it all together. And my surf and turf meatball mix is ready to go. In the same pan where you grill the onions, I'm gonna put some oil, put a good amount, and I'm gonna throw some meatballs in here. In the meantime, I'm gonna season 4 chicken thighs with my favorite mixture of blackened seasoning, chipotle chili pepper, paprika, some salt, and some pepper. Flip it to the other side and do the same thing. Now I'm just gonna add my chicken to the griddle. And the last thing I'm going to add is the 2 pieces of salmon that I had marinating in the fridge. Alright, and for the meatballs, last thing I'm going to do is add some spicy tomato sauce. Then I'm just going to cover the meatballs and I'm just going to let it simmer them for like 8 to 10 minutes. Now I'm just going to put my meatballs in the food containers. And I'm going to top it off with some Parmesan cheese. And after your salmon is done, top it off with some good teriyaki sauce. Add some chopped green onions and some sesame seeds. And I'm going to eat this with some veggies. These are meal prep, so that's why I'm using frozen veggies. Last but not least, my chicken with some white rice. That was it for today. I hope you liked this video. I really hope you like these recipes if you try them out. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video for more quick and easy healthy recipes. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next video.